Well, I'm out here in my garage, but it's raining. I was gonna say, hooray, it's raining. We've been short water, but look what's happening down here. My drain in the middle of my garage, it's bubbling up a little bit. That's no good. This is my studio where I'm working. So now what am I going to do about that? I have to sit in this big puddle of water. That's no good. I'm going to have to talk to somebody about this. See what's going on. I started to read the Decameron inside. I'm going to put a stop to that. It's not what I want to hear right now. The Black Plague back in 1438 or 34 in Europe and Florence, when they lost so many people to the Black Death. I don't want to read that. Suddenly I'm going, oh, I started to read the introduction, and but I came out here to work, and this is what I wind up with down here. It's not bubbling up right now, but I'm worried about this. Huh. Well, okay, I'm putting a stop to the Decameron, and I'm going to get started on my painting.